Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to just review the JIoFi 3, which is a JIoFi Wi-Fi, a portable Wi-Fi device from Jio. So, with love from Jio, a nice message. And nowadays, we are doing a lot of work from home, right? This device can help us to connect to our office work and also do a lot of networking during this lockdown situation. So we can create our own hotspot. We can connect up to 31 devices with this dongle. So it contains 2800 mAh battery, and we can do the wireless sharing through SD card. So enable HD voice and video call. And it mentions what are the net quantity which is contained, what are the items which is there inside the box, and other information is specified here. Let's open up. So there is a one box and one pouch kind of thing. Let's pick up the pouch. I believe that should be the JIoFi device. Let's open that app. Okay, the design is sleek. It's a nice design. I like the simple design. It shows little information and a nice message. Designed in India. It's just plain and flat. I love the black color. Okay, and some of the booklets, instruction information booklets. So it explains, and some sticker. So it contains a warranty card and some information about how to connect to these devices. Okay, let's keep this, and we'll just open up the device and understand what else is there. So I believe this should be a charger. Yeah, so this is a charger. Sorry, it's a battery. Yeah. So there is a battery which is a 2600 mAh battery. So they just given this. Okay, so it's two. Hopefully it should contain a charger as well. Yes, it contains a battery and a charger. Okay, so it's normal USB type charger, like whatever your phone you have, you can also charge with that. Okay, so let's keep all these boxes little away. So let's open up this device. There is a small open there to open up the device to put the batteries inside. So it contains one SIM slot and one SD card slot. Okay, and we have to insert the battery here. Okay, so basically it contains the information about how to go to the configuration page. It also mentioned the device name and password is mentioned there. Just ensure you write down the password before you put the battery and power on, because once you put in, we have to remove the battery, otherwise no option to read the password. Just write down the password in any of the places. So this is a slot. The first slot, left side one is a SIM card. So I have a Jio SIM card. Let's insert the Jio SIM card. So this is a normal SIM card. If you are using a Jio SIM card, we can just remove from the phone and connect it to the JIoFi device. It should work. So let's just put the long press. So your SIM card will go inside. Yeah, just put a press. Yeah, the SIM, we put the SIM inside. Okay, just note down the, sure, just note down the password and JIoFi device, so that like when you want to connect to the mobile, it should be handy. So otherwise we have to open up the battery to read the password. Okay, just insert the battery, close the backlit. So there is a button in the side. So just to the long press of the power button, so there will be a charging, so where the place we do the charge, and there is a power button. Just there is another one is WPS button. Just click on long press, so your device should power on now. So the initial one, it shows all orange color. Then once it is powered on, so it is a battery indicator. So if your battery is green solid, then you have a full charge. And if it is blue, it is slow blinking, and red will be slower one. So you have a manual, it indicates what does the color code indicates. Now I put the sim inside it. It's green for all. For battery, that is a signal of my sim card, and another one is Wi-Fi signal. Okay, so you can just click on the WPS button in the side, so it will be discoverable to the mobile devices. Okay, so basically we can read all this information in your the manual which they have given. I have noted down the password as well in the manual. Okay, so let's connect to the mobile and we'll test it. What is the speed we are getting in the Wi-Fi device? Okay, so now Wi-Fi is on, all three are green. Let's go to my mobile, just enable the Wi-Fi. My JioFi device is detected here. Just click on that and enter the password which is mentioned in the device. Just write down the password. I entered the password. Now it is connected. The device is connected. Let's open up some of the speed test portal to validate the speed test. Okay, speedtest.net. Let's run the speed test. I feel it is very good when I connect to my laptop during my work, and it gives a better speed. And the one of the biggest thing is, like, we can connect up to 31 devices. I didn't test it on 31 devices, but as per the manual, it should support up to 31 devices. So I was getting around 3.5 to 4 Mbps speed. So during this test, I got 3.64 Mbps speed. That's still okay because I'm in a small town now, so I get a good speed. This should be suffice to work. Okay, so now we understand how to put the SIM card, how to power on these devices, and we also connected to the mobile devices to validate the connection. It's working, and also we did the speed test. So here is a charging. So it's a normal USB charger. So there are some other manuals, like you have a warranty card as well. So basically, this have the device have 1 year warranty, and accessories have 6 months warranty. Just make sure you keep the warranty card safe, so it contains information. And also keep the manual, so it have all the details about how to connect and what are the indicators of each of the device. And they also have some voucher about JioFi for voice, and how to download the Jio for voice app, and how to enable the Jio for voice. Okay, so this device is handy. I'm just working using this device every day. This is sleek, and if you want to this device to be discoverable, just press on the WPS button so that you can see the blink in the Wi-Fi, so that the device which we are trying to connect can discover this particular device. This is a good device. I'm using it from last 2 weeks. It's very good. Thank you so much. Stay safe. Bye bye.